It's been a long time since we last built a scalping trading strategy, so I thought, why not dive back in? I went through tons of indicators and found this one, which has shown some amazing backtest results. So, are you ready to check it out? Let's dive into it! Hi traders, welcome back here on TradingView where we discuss profitable trading strategies. Today's strategy will be based on the scalping line indicator. In order to load it, you just need to go in the indicator section and type scalping line and open this one by TradingView. You can find these free indicators by joining our Discord. You just need to add it to your favorite and you're good to go. You will find in your favorites indicators. This one is a modified version of this indicator by Kaivan C. Once you have loaded onto the chart, as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. The center line represents the stair-step moving average, which smooths out price changes to highlight significant trends, while the scalping line represents the difference between the center and the simple moving average. To make it as simple as possible and to put into practice, we open long position when the scalping line crosses above this center line, which shows a green background color, while we open short position when the scalping line crosses below the center line. A red background color will be shown. We're gonna set this rule as our main entry signal. Then we're gonna use two other rules in order to generate our entry signals. The second rule will be based on the moving average, while the third rule will be based on the Aron oscillator. We're gonna use the moving average as our trend confirmation, while the Aron oscillator as our volatility confirmation. We're gonna use the JMA, the Zurich moving average, based on the 26 length, and the volatility pack by TradingView Pro. We're gonna allow long position whenever the price is above our moving average and our Aron oscillator is above the zero line, which represents a bullish confirmation. Conversely, we're gonna open short position when the price is below the moving average and the Aron oscillator is below the zero line, this middle line. That's cool, guys. We have just defined all the three rules of our strategy. Now we can convert this idea into a real strategy using our strategy builder, a powerful tool that allows us to combine any indicator available on TradingView to generate buy and sell signals. We can backtest, automate strategies, set up alerts, and do all this cool stuff with just 2 clicks. Let's start by configuring our main entry signals. The main entry signals are based on the scalping line, which is actually an oscillator. That's why we're gonna go in the oscillator section, we're gonna turn on one signal for long and one for short. We're gonna set scalping line for both signals. And for the long side, we want the scalping line that crosses over the zero line, the middle line, while for short side, we want the scalping line that crosses under the zero line. That's cool. Then for our trend confirmation, we need the price that is above our main moving average, the JMA, while for short side, we want the price that is below our main moving average, the JMA. Then the volatility rule, which is based on the Aron oscillator. We're gonna turn on the signals in the oscillator section. We're gonna select the oscillators by the volatility pack. For short side is the same. For long position, we need the oscillator to be above zero line, while for short positions, we need the oscillators that is below the zero line. That's cool, guys. Entry rules are just set. Now we just need to finish our strategy by setting our stop loss and take profit. We're gonna set the stop loss based on the higher highs and lower lows. Higher highs 20, lower lows 20 as well, while for the take profit we're gonna set risk reward of 2. Here there is a perfect example of a long position. We have the scalping line in green zone because crosses above the zero line, the price is well above our JMA moving average, and the Aron oscillator is above the zero line. Our stop loss is based on the lowest low within the 20 period, while our take profit is 2 times our stop loss distance. Whereas for short positions, we have the scalping line that crosses below the zero line, the price is below the JMA, and the Aron oscillator is below the zero line. Stop loss is based on the higher highs within 20 candles, while the take profit is 2 times our stop loss distance. That's amazing, guys. We have set all the rules of our strategy and we are just ready to jump into backtest results. I'm gonna take the backtest results based on these spreadsheets, which you can find in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. This strategy seems to be pretty effective on the 30 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 10 minutes time frame, and some 5 minutes time frame. Today we're gonna analyze the new USDT 10 minutes time frame. Like all these backtest results, we're gonna go only long, order size $10,000 with fixed amount, 1x leverage, $10,000 initial capital and 0.06% commission. As you can see guys, the equity is absolutely good. We are backtesting 5 months of charts. As you can see from the monthly table, we have 5 months and they are all green. According to this backtest, the strategy has generated a net profit of 108%, 160 trades, 38 win rate, 1.41 profit factor, 20% max drawdown, and 0.93 average trade. We have a net profit slash drawdown of 3.33, which is decent, it's not so exciting. Max win row 4, max loss row 6, which is good considering the low win rate. Average risk reward of 2.23 and expectancy 0.25. Average win 8.23 and average loss 3.69. Max win trade 29 and max loss trade 12%. As we were saying before, the shorter the time frame and more volatile will be the strategy, meaning that it's more challenging to have a steady profitable strategy on the shorter time frame. That is because there are more noise in the market and there are more random movement rather than the higher time frame. Buy and hold return is lower than our equity. This is a great aspect of this strategy, along with this max win trade, which is 29%, absolutely good, and the risk reward, which is 2.23. Hope that this strategy will continue to be profitable, and we will check it later. We can always monitor these backtest results just by clicking on the ticker and by opening in a new tab. It can be a pretty cool tool to monitor our strategy. That's all for today's video, I hope you enjoyed. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!